everybody. So I'm going to show you how to use these little autumn gift cards or gift tags. So it just says a little autumn treat because you are so very sweet. So these are great for employee appreciation, customer appreciation, celebrating teacher and nurse appreciation, co-worker thank you gifts. Just any kind of occasion that where you just want to kind of give somebody a little thank you, just a little treat, let them know how special they are. These are great. So all you do is take a regular scissors, cut out your tag, and then you can go ahead and just simply tape it to, I'm going to make it look nice and neat. I'm going to do a little ball here. Tape it to your treat.